Hi everyone, welcome back to Armcandy. I hope you're all okay. We are back today with a beautiful piece of Prada. This is a Prada bowling bag and it's in the most glorious brown. I love this colour. It's such a nice shade of brown. Oh, just got a little bit of fluff on it. But yeah, I just really love this colour. You've got that beautiful Saffiano leather as well, which looks great. So, I've got fluff stuck to me. We've got double top handles, a removable adjustable strap, 4 base studs, a cloche with padlocks, and then a cloche with the padlock, cloche with keys, and then the cloche with the padlock. So that is everything on the exterior. I'll show you the interior. So you've got a zip top fasten, and then inside you've got this nice big open space, and you've got one zipped pocket there as well, and you've got your Prada badge too. So it's a good sized bag, lots of room. I'll come back and show you the sizing of it. So it looks great, it looks very cool and chic. It'd be a nice office bag actually. I'm about 5'4" in a UK size 8 for reference, but all the exact measurements will be on the website. So if you click the link in the description, it should take you straight to this on our website where you can see all the details about it. If you click that link and it doesn't take you straight to this, I'm sorry, that does mean that it has sold. Don't worry, we do have a request list. So if you're after one of these or anything else in particular, get in touch, let us know, and we'll let you know when we get one in. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, sign up to the newsletter. When you sign up to the newsletter as well, you can do that through our website. So to go down to the bottom of any page or type your email address in the pop-up that will come up. And then we send you a discount code to your inbox that you can use at checkout. So make sure to do that. I think that's everything to tell you about the details. It comes with this sort of generic dust bag. And then condition, it's in a really nice condition. It looks great. We've called it fair throughout. However, it looks better than that. But the reason we've called the exterior fair is mainly due to the corners. As you can see, the scratching on them, you can see a bit of the pipings come through. So it's still very usable, still looks great, but when you just look at those corners, you can see it has got some just additional wear to it. Got a little bit of fuzzing just around the piping as well. But the handles still look great, and the actual Saffiano leather, you can see, it looks amazing. So that's why we've called that fair. Hardware, we have also called fair. So you've got gold hardware, but throughout on the gold hardware, you've got your silver sort of coming through. So it still looks lovely, but you have got gold, the silver coming through on the gold. And then the base studs are the main bits of wear as well. So you can see they've been well used. Interior, we have also called fair. So the main body of the interior is in a nice condition. You've got one stain at the bottom there, you can see, but the rest of that is lovely. In this pocket, you can just see it's a little bit fuzzy. It has a little bit of wear to it, a few marks. So that's why we have called that fair. So this is a beautiful bag in a nice condition that still has got plenty of life left in it. The leather's gorgeous. It just looks great. So if you love this, check it out on our website. Links in the description. Have a look at this, have a look at the rest of our Armcandy, and we'll see you very soon with some more.